Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, and Airbus have signed a pact to establish a civil MRO, maintenance, repair and overhaul facility for the A320 family of aircraft in Nashik. The facility is expected to be operational by November 2024 and will be available for the entire Asian region after obtaining EASA, European Union Aviation Safety Agency approval. India is developing high-power microwave (HPM) technology to counter drone swarms, which are a rapidly emerging threat to national security. HPM is a non-kinetic energy weapon that can disable electronic systems by emitting powerful microwave pulses. InterGlobe Enterprises, the parent company of Indigo, and Archer Aviation have announced plans to launch an all-electric air taxi service across India in 2026. The service will use Archer's eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft, which are designed to take off and land vertically like helicopters, but fly like airplanes. GE Aerospace has delayed the delivery of the F404GE-N20 engine for India's Tejas Mk1A fighter jet program. The delay is expected to impact the program schedule and could lead to further cost overruns. GE has not provided a specific reason for the delay, but it is reportedly due to supply chain disruptions and production challenges. The company has said that it is working to mitigate the impact of the delay and that it is committed to meeting India's needs. The White House has said that India is free to decide its stance on the Middle East crisis, including the ongoing conflict between Israel and Palestine. White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said that the United States respects India's sovereignty and that it is important for India to be able to make its own decisions about its foreign policy.